Mabuhay! Welcome! I really don't know how to welcome you guys back to my channel, but hello, thank you for coming back and checking out this video. Lately, I've been watching Money Heist, and it has been such a whirlwind of emotions. You never know where they're gonna go to next. It's quite unpredictable, so it's a great series to watch. I am only on the 10th episode of season 1, and I heard that, you know, the deeper you get into it, further down into the series, it gets even more intense and you grow much more fonder of the characters. And one of the characters there is Inspector Raquel. Yes, she is a very strong-minded, determined detective or inspector in the series. And something I noticed about her is her hair, because whenever she's about to get into like an intense conversation with someone, the professor, she always puts it up. You know, it's typically down and straight, but they seem to focus on it too. So I thought, hey, why not share how you can do that, because this is something that I've always done. Usually I've done it on the top of my head because I like high ponies and all that and high buns, but I'll show you how Inspector Raquel does it. So continue watching this video to find out. All right, first you want to start off with sectioning your hair. And since we're gonna try and use the most minimal amount of tools today, let's use whatever we plan to put on our hair, whether it be a pen or a makeup brush. Today I am using just an eyebrow brush. I'll use that to part my hair. It's pretty much parted already, but if I want to get a deeper one, man guys, I need to dye my hair because all my white hairs are coming out. So yeah, I want it typically to the side, because when I part in the middle, it's very off because of my widow's peak. So get your part ready, and then at the base of your head, near your nape, that's where you want to start the bun. So I'll turn around right now so you guys could see what happens with this and your hair. All right, so basically what you want to do is wrap your hair in your hand, twist it a bit, right? So you have more control. Now you get the brush or the pen and you make it kind of like a crisscross. Then you want to, if you have longer hair, bring that back up again, and then turn the base of your brush or your pen back into your hair where you started kind of your pony. So that's basically it. And you could adjust where need be, maybe put, sorry, I lost memory for a bit, but that's basically how it goes. If you want to adjust a bit, take some hair out in the front to make it look more casual and not so neat and tidy, you could do that. You could loosen it up by pulling your hair on the side, and that's it. You know, when you don't have a hair tie, you could use just a pen or a brush. And it will take a bit of practice if you've never done this before, because I've been doing this since I was a kid. But don't worry, because with practice, everything will start to become second nature to you. So good luck with doing that, and let me know if you guys have any other little hair hacks or makeup hacks for times where, you know, you can't really get the thing that you need, because I'd love to test that out as well. And enjoy watching Money Heist. Comment who's your favorite character and why. I want to know why. Anyways, that's all for now. Enjoy the rest of your lives, your days. Just enjoy. Bye guys.